These are part of the destructions that happened. I was making a video a day ago, and I was talking about, the rains, how happy that the rains, have come and everything. But one funny thing, with the rain also comes, you know, sometimes a bit of destruction. So there is a bit of damage, that I just found out. I just came out this afternoon. You wouldn't know it's afternoon. It still seems like morning because of the weather. And some of my trees are down. I'm really surprised, There's this black currant tree which I planted, as a replacement for my main black currant tree. And it's actually broken into two. I have to get someone to saw it. Anyway, just come along and see the damage, in the garden. Oh no. Oh no, I didn't see this before. My okra, this my giant lone okra is bent over. Wow. See how big those okras are. They're so big. But the tree is bent over. I don't know if it will come up. But I'll actually just leave these ones for seeds. I'll leave this okra for seeds. When they dry, at least I'll be able to continue the generation of this okra. So I'll leave that for seeds. So I have a plantain tree here. You can see it is down, and the sad part is that it actually was already that's it there. It was actually already fruiting. It's really sad. And I'll take you, to the other part of my garden where I see a lot of destruction. That's my main black currant tree. I'll be taking you to the one that has the replacement. It's actually just there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and zoom in. So that's the other black currant tree. It's broken into two. I'll give you a close-up picture. Oh no, I have a lot of So that is a close-up picture. You can see it's broken of my black currant tree. It's broken into two. Really sad. I have a couple of plantain trees here. In fact, I don't know how many, maybe like 5 down, and they were all fruiting. Really sad. I have to get my gardener to clear up this place. Really sad. Just see all the damage. Another plantain down, and that was fruiting. And I have 2 more here down. You can see. In fact, maybe I can manage. Oh, okay, I think I can oh, there's another fruit. So I guess what's going to happen is I'm going to have to cut these ones. They're not as mature as I expect, but I would manage them. So that's just a brief update from my garden, the destruction. I hope that's all that is going to happen. I know the rains really came down heavy yesterday, and like I said, these are part of the destructions that happened. Clear this whole part. I'm meant to have like a banana underneath here. Anyway, c'est la vie. So I've been forced to harvest these 2 plantains bunches prematurely, thanks to the rain. So the rain last night was something else. It was so heavy. I was really scared. In fact, I was scared for our roof, that the roof would, come out and everything. The rain was really scary. But the funniest thing, I didn't expect that anything was going to happen to the garden. I mean, that was my last, I didn't even think about it. I've never had this experience before, in my garden. So only to come out this afternoon and I saw the damage. Oh, my heart is broken. Anyway, life goes on. C'est la vie. Quite a lot of damage from one rainstorm. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you love this content, please give this content or give this video a thumbs up, a like, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.